Oh my god.
I think she's ready to go feel safe now.
Good. Whoa. This is freaking amazing. Oh my god. This is serious. This is really serious, Mom. Huh? I think so, yeah.
Is that what you're about to tell me?
Yeah.
Real slow and process the fact that I'm about to learn some things?
If you want to, yeah.
Yeah, let's like see that.
Okay. Holy crap. I love you. Who else does this? I don't think anybody does this besides me. What do you think, Spike?